Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to set front or back camera during your Facebook live stream, how you can switch your camera. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Facebook app. And go ahead and click on your profile icon. And go ahead and click on create. Go ahead and click on live. And here you go. So let's, for instance, you want to simply record with back camera of your phone. Just double tap and it automatically switches to back camera. If you want to come to the front camera, double tap again, it come back to front. However, you can make use of this rotation right here. So go ahead and click on rotation, it automatically switches to back. If you want to come back to your front camera, tap on the rotation again, it takes you back to the front camera. Once you are done and satisfied with your camera settings, you can easily come to the go live right here. This allows you to start your live stream on your Facebook account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topics like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.